The Hong Kong Special Administrative Region on Thursday launched the Hello Hong Kong campaign to lure tourists, business travelers, and investors to the city with a series of incentives announced.
Today, I'm happy to tell you that Hong Kong is welcoming every one of you to join us on our center stage, for Hong Kong is now seamlessly connected to the mainland of China and the whole international world. First and foremost, we have prepared 500,000 free air tickets to welcome tourists from every part of the world to come to Hong Kong. This, ladies and gentlemen, is probably the world's biggest welcome ever.